Imagine unlocking the secret to battling cancer right from the comforts of your own kitchen, foods that not only tantalize your taste buds but also fortify your body against one of the world's biggest health threats. Prevention of cancer demands a well-rounded strategy that blends sensible lifestyle decisions, mindful eating, and consistent health checkups with doctors. Though professional medical treatments are undeniably crucial, numerous cancer specialists highlight how small, steady tweaks to your meals and routines can yield lasting advantages for your well-being. And guess what? It's not nearly as daunting as it might sound. According to Dr. Jayesh Sharma, a leading oncologist in India, transformative shifts can kick off in the most familiar place, your culinary haven. Inspired by extensive scientific findings and timeless Indian customs, Dr. Sharma promotes methods that heal us internally. Central to his advice is the transformative power of fermentation, a process that's been a staple in Indian homes for generations, turning simple ingredients into health-boosting wonders. But here's where it gets controversial. Fermentation in Indian culture isn't just a way to preserve food. Dr. Jayesh Sharma describes it as an everyday powerhouse that revs up your gut and strengthens your immune system. From a scientific angle, these fermented goodies increase the number of helpful microbes in your digestive system. These probiotics, think of them as tiny friendly soldiers, improve your immunity, make digestion smoother, and ward off harmful germs linked to illnesses like colon and breast cancer. For beginners, probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, offer health perks, much like how yogurt contains bacteria that aid in breaking down food. Research backs this up, showing that a thriving gut microbiome directly enhances your body's defenses. Certain probiotic strains can even stop cancer cells from multiplying and prompt their self-elimination, a process known as apoptosis, that's the body's natural way of cleaning out damaged cells. This internal equilibrium in your gut acts as a crucial shield. Take, for example, a compelling study in Frontiers, accessible at https://www.frontiers.org/journal/oncologgy/article/102.33899/full-mark-UTM_source=sign-ChatGPT.com, which conducted a meta-analysis exploring the link between fermented dairy products and colorectal cancer risk. The results indicate that incorporating fermented foods might lower the chances of developing colorectal cancer. To put it simply, these foods tweak your gut's microbial community, fostering better digestive health and potentially playing a role in cancer prevention. In essence, fermented dairy could shield against colorectal cancer by enhancing gut bacteria, making it a smart addition to your preventive eating plan. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about one food, it's about how these changes ripple through your entire system for long-term protection. Dr. Sharma kicks off his 10 habits to prevent cancer with a focus on weaving fermented foods into your everyday meals. No need for pricey pills or exotic imports. His top picks are things you likely already have in your Indian pantry. Here's his standout lineup. Dahi, packed with beneficial bacteria, this yogurt is gentle on the tummy and has been a go-to in Ayurveda for easing digestion. Think of it as a creamy probiotic boost. Chas, buttermilk. This refreshing, cooling beverage calms your gut while delivering probiotics, perfect for a hot day. Kanji, fermented drink, especially black carrot kanji, loaded with antioxidants and diverse bacteria that give it that unique hue and tang, is easy to whip up at home by soaking carrots in water and letting them ferment for a few days. Idli, dosa, Attapam, and appam batters, hailing from South India, these are made by fermenting rice and lentils, resulting in fluffy treats brimming with gut-friendly bacteria. Dokla batter, fermentation is what makes this Gujarati snack so light and flavorful, infusing it with helpful microbes. Ambalai, fermented ragi porridge, a fiber-rich favorite in South India, rich in minerals and fermented for nutritional punch. Homemade fermented carrot or beetroot, a DIY tangy pickle option for pickle lovers, simply prepared by fermenting veggies in brine. Fermented green chili, a spicy staple in Indian cooking that pairs probiotic perks with a kick of heat. Curd-based veggie marinades, rice kanji, or peasant kanji, widespread Indian preparations celebrated for their tummy-soothing effects. Homemade kombucha, for the adventurous, this bubbly drink fits in, but Dr. Sharma stresses balance. Enjoy it in moderation to avoid overdoing the sugars. As Dr. Sharma explains, these fermented foods work wonders by blocking the growth of harmful, cancer-fueling bacteria in the colon, encouraging the creation of enzymes that suppress tumors, limiting the spread of cancer cells and activating genes that fight tumors, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which guard against colon cancer. Plus, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory elements in these foods amplify these benefits, creating a protective shield inside your body. However, not every fermented item packs anti-cancer potential. Dr. Sharma warns that while treats like jalebi or alcoholic beverages technically involve fermentation, they don't count as wholesome choices due to added sugars or other unhealthy factors. Stick to natural, gentle options straight from your kitchen. It's about quality over quantity. And here's a controversial twist. Some might argue that traditional fermented foods are overhyped in modern wellness trends, potentially overlooking the need for rigorous clinical trials. What do you think? Does this downplay the role of other lifestyle factors? Beyond just fermentation, Dr. Sharma pushes for a complete wellness plan that includes nutritious eating, physical activity, managing stress, and cutting back on processed junk. Yet, the time-honored practice of enjoying simple fermented dishes daily offers an accessible, budget-friendly starting point that anyone can embrace. Embracing fermented foods based on Dr. Jayesh Sharma's insights could become a cornerstone of your cancer-fighting arsenal. These everyday picks connect you back to Indian heritage while aligning with cutting-edge science. No matter where you stand in your pursuit of holistic health and a robust immune system, you can begin today with a serving of fresh homemade dahi or a gulp of invigorating kanji. So, what's your take? Can fermented foods truly help fend off cancer, or do you see them as just another fad? Is fermentation the overlooked hero in prevention, or are there better strategies out there? We'd love to hear your opinions. Agree or disagree in the comments below.